A steel wire rope is a composite product formed by twisting together multiple strands of steel wires, or wire bundles typically used in engineering fields for lifting, pulling, supporting, fastening, and more. Here is a general overview of the production of steel wire ropes. Raw material selection. High quality, high carbon steel wire is usually chosen as the raw material for steel wire rope production. Steel wire production. The high carbon steel from the raw material undergoes a series of processes such as cold drawing, strand preparation. Steel wire ropes are typically composed of multiple strands of steel wires or wire bundles. Twisting process. Multiple strands or individual wire bundles are twisted together according to the design requirements. Coating treatment. To improve the corrosion resistance of the steel wire rope, a corrosion-resistant coating can be applied.